In this video, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT to Bubble. To do this, what you're going to do is just open up Bubble and in the left menu, go to Plugins. From there, click Add Plugins and here under Search for Plugins, search for ChatGPT. Then here just get OpenAI ChatGPT 4 Assistant Vision and click on Install. Now after installing it, close it, and then here you will find OpenAI ChatGPT. Now there's a prerequisite. You need to subscribe to OpenAI's service and obtain the API key. So here you need to then enter that API key and select the currently installed version. Now I'll show you how to get this. So just open up openai.com and go to For Developers in the left menu. Then click on Start Building and then just click on Login in the top right. So now once you see this, what you want to do is click Settings in the top right and go to API Keys. Then here click Create New Secret Key and then you can give it a name and select a project for it. And then from there select Permissions and click Create Secret Key. From there it will then get you your API key. Now go back to Bubble and then here under OpenAI select in the API key, just paste in the API key that you just selected. It has now been saved and now you can use ChatGPT inside of Bubble. So you can see all of the actions and data calls that you can do with it. For example, uploading files, deleting assistant. You can see they have a bunch of it right here that you can just use ChatGPT for after you have integrated it. So now you know how to connect ChatGPT to Bubble. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.